Samosir is a volcanic island located in the middle of Lake Toba in North Sumatra province. The first uniqueness is, of course, its natural conditions, which have several hills with views that are pleasing to the eye. Offers views of hills, high and steep cliffs, as well as very beautiful views of Lake Toba. Samosir is known to the Indonesian people for its cultural richness, which is the center of Toba Batak culture. Not only among Indonesian people, the popularity of Lake Toba abroad cannot be separated from Samosir Island. The size of Samosir Island is 630 square kilometers, which is almost the same as Singapore, which is 728 square kilometers. Samosir Island is a large island in the middle of Lake Toba and is one of the unique islands in Indonesia. This is because Lake Toba is one of the largest volcanic lakes in the world.